Things that I'm a little bit scared of because it's just a baby. These floaty things called balloons are scary. I think they are actually ghosts trying to get me. Spooky. I don't really like rainy days because of the thunder. It's so loud, like someone is scolding me. And no one is allowed to scold Maple. The vacuum is terrifying. It eats my fur and tries to go after my feet. Keep that thing far away from me. Everyone laughed at me when they found out I am afraid of the car wash. I can't believe Mom exposed me like that. It really is scary. It's like our car was eaten by a monster. I almost peed myself.
Come on, Lucy. Lucy, let's go.